Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode on this very channel. If you are really enjoying my lesson, don't forget to subscribe to this very channel for more exciting episodes to come. We are still on classical probability and today we want to look at these examples on the board. Let's start with this particular example. We are saying that a bag contains 8 red balls and 4 blue balls. If a ball is selected at random from the bag, what is the probability that the ball picked from the bag is a blue color, or the ball which is picked at random from the bag is a red color? This is our task and we want to solve it. So we are saying that a bag contains what? 8 red balls. So let's use this to represent our bag. This is our bag and this bag contains 8 red balls. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we also have 4 balls in the same bag, and these 4 balls are what? Blue. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. If I dip my hand inside this bag, what is the likelihood of me picking a ball which is what? A blue color? Also, if I dip my hand inside this bag, what is the likelihood of picking a ball from this bag that is what? Red. So in solving this question, what we have to do is to first write the vital information from the question. Let's use the letter R to represent the number of red balls in the bag. And then we are going to use the letter B to represent the number of blue balls in the bag. So number of red balls in the bag. How many red balls are in the bag? We have 8 red balls. And then how many number of blue balls are in the bag? So we have number of blue balls in the bag. How many are there? We have 4 blue balls. And then in all, how many balls are in the bag? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means that there are 12 balls in the bag. So to obtain our sample space, we have a number of outcomes in the sample space. We are going to have number of red balls in the bag plus number of blue balls in the bag. And this is going to give us 8. Let's continue from this side. It's going to give us 8 plus 4. That gives us what? Therefore, the number of sample space in the experiment is going to be what? 12. Once you know all of this information, you can proceed to find the probability of obtaining a blue color from the bag and then a red color from the bag. In our previous lesson, we discussed that the probability of an event is given as number of outcomes in the event all over the number of outcomes in the sample space. Let's start with the first one. We want to find the probability of picking a ball from the bag that is what? A blue color. And this is giving us the probability of picking a blue ball from the bag is the number of blue balls in the bag all over the number of balls in the whole bag, and that is what? The sample space. Number of blue balls in the bag, we have what? 4. All over the sample space, we have what? 12. You can break it down to get 1 all over what? Which is the same as 0.3333. Now let's look at I. We want to find the probability of picking a ball from the bag, which is what? A red color. And this is also giving us probability of picking a red ball from the bag is number of red balls in the bag all over the total number of balls in the bag, that is all the sample space. So number of red balls in the bag, we have 8. All over number of balls in the bag, we have 12. And this is going to give us 2 over 3. And this is the same as 0.666 and so on. So the probability of picking a blue color from the bag is 0.33, and then the probability of picking a ball from the bag which is red is 0.6666. Let's look at this particular one. We are saying that in a class of 60 students, 25 of the students are males and then the rest are female. In a class, there are 60 students in the class, 25 of them are males. We want to find the probability that a student selected at random from the class is a male student and then II is a female student. We are going to apply the same concept here, the same process here to help us solve this particular question. So we are saying that in the class, there are how many students in the class? We have 60 students in the class. So that 60 students becomes our sample space. Number of students in the class, which is the sample space, is what 60 students. How many students are in the class are males? So we have a number of male students in the class. We have what 25. We need to find the number of females in the class. To find the number of females in the class, then we have to subtract the number of males in the class from the total number of students in the class. So we have number of females in the class will be given as 60 minus 25, and that's going to give us 35. Therefore, the number of females in the class is equal to 35. Once you know all of this, we can proceed to find the probability of picking a student from the class who is a male. And that is giving us probability of picking a male student in the class is giving us number of male students in the class all over the number of total students in the class, that is the sample space. Number of male students in the class, we have 25 all over the total number of students in the class, 60. And that is going to give us what? 5 all over 12. You can convert it to decimal so that you can have 0.416. Let's look at the probability of picking a female student from the class. Probability of picking a female student in the class is given as number of female students in the class all over the number of students in the class. Number of females in the class, we have 35. Number of students in the class, we have 60. So when you simplify, you are going to get 7 all over 12. You can convert it to decimal to have 0.5833, as easy as that. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.